I'm hungry. Well, what is there to eat? I think we should get a snack. Whoa, V, you can talk? Yeah, only because this is non-canon. Oh, that makes sense. Your mom doesn't make sense.
Bruh.
What? Okay, anyway, well, I do have this. Hubba Bubba Gum. It's really, really good. You should try it. I mean, it's never been opened. I kind of just got it. Oh, that looks good. Nah, I got my own snack. Pringles. Pringles? Oh, I've always wanted these. I got an even better snack. Pringles! But the exact same thing. Yeah, okay. Mine are cheddar cheese. Yours are cheddar and sour cream. Who likes that? I do. What? Oh, come on. Is it really that bad? V, stop overreacting. It's not that bad. Jay, my Pringles are better. You gotta admit it. What? No, mine are so much better. They taste flavorful. Cheddar cheese is just the classical cheddar style. Mine is better. Anyone who has mental problems gets cheddar and sour cream. I like the cheddar. Plus, it's a Halloween edition and it glows in the dark. Which means since mine can do more stuff and they look cooler because it's limited edition Halloween stuff, mine are obviously better. Well, okay, well mine are mine are bursting with flavor. More like bursting with sewer water. What did you just say? I said bursting with new water. Okay then. It was that I mean, yeah. Guys, come on, let's see the facts. How about we just, calm down and be a good person? And plus, limited edition is way better. So, yeah, I'm drawing on all the facts that you're gonna see later, so. Thanks for letting me use you. I didn't agree to this. So yeah, that's why Hubba Bubba is better. And I am going to kill you. V, I still don't understand why you think cheddar and sour cream is bad. I mean, if you really think it's that bad, if you think it's that bad, do you actually think it's that bad? Yes. Okay, let me get a different snack. Cheese puffs are way better. No they're not. Yes they are. Those things are trash. Trash. How dare you? Yeah, Jay, all of your snacks that you brought are trash. Your personality is trash. Oh, ouch. You're gonna pay for that, Jay. Did someone say snacks? Anyway, Hubba Bubba is trash. And everything you own is trash. What did you say? Get over here!